Lo mbutho we-PA nowasekwa kwiminyaka elishumi eyagqithayo ubambe irali yawo eGqeberha kule mpelaveki sisuka kuyo. Inkokheli yalo mbutho uGayton McKenzie uthi injongo yawo kukulwa nobuhesheheshe borhulumente kweli phondo, kwaye ufuna ukuqhawula impiko umbutho we-ANC nosele ukhokhele eli phondo iminyaka engama-31 eMpuma Kapa.
The ANC has been winning the Eastern Cape with no competition. Today is a declaration of war. Was it Galandela? Was Squami? Telekom, Rescom, Goedescom, Balance. We are taking them on in their own backyard. For too long have they controlled the Eastern Cape. But today it's a warning shot to tell them the Green Army het Galandela op die gronde van die Eastern Cape. Het Galandela op die gronde van die Eastern Cape. Our children are dying in the Eastern Cape. In Galvandale, on the northern areas, our children are being killed. We can't be spectators when our children get killed. We can't outsource the responsibility anymore to keep our children safe. That's why we said we are coming to the Eastern Cape to make sure that we are taking each and every municipality in the Eastern Cape.
I-Patriotic Alliance kwamemelele kumongameli Cyril Ramaphosa ukuba abeke abemi beli phambili, yaye axhothe abemi bamanye amazwe abakweli ngokungekho mthethweni. Uthi abemi beli bajongene nemicelimngeni emininzi equka ulwaphulo-mthetho nentswela-ngqesho.
We don't want stories. We want every illegal foreigner to go home. We want them to go home. We want them to go home. That South Africa belongs to the people. Illegal foreigners have jobs in South Africa, but we don't have jobs. Illegal foreigners are selling drugs in our country. Illegal foreigners are smuggling dangerous weapons into our country. Illegal foreigners are coming here and stealing our vehicles. Illegal foreigners are coming here to this country of us without any paperwork, and they do what they like. I'm saying to them, President Ramaphosa, it is time where we put South Africans first. Let's put our people first. We don't want an illegal foreigner to be serviced at the hospital.
Lo kaMcKenzie uthi nanjengoko kurhulumente ubambiswano uzama ukulwa nentswela-ngqesho ngokukhuthaza ukuba abantu abangaphaya kweminyaka engama-35 baqeshwe.
When you see me being in the government of national unity, I'm fighting for jobs. I'm fighting for a better South Africa. I'm fighting so that our children must stop suffering, our adults must get jobs. I'm fighting to make sure people over the age of 35 must still get a job. I'm fighting in the GNU to make sure we are all treated equally. I am fighting so that nobody keeps on killing our children.
I-Patriotic Alliance ithi iza kuqula iligangathe ekuqinisekiseni ukuba abemi beli ingakumbi kwindawo esemaphandleni bafumana iinkonzo. Kwiindaba zeMpuma Kapa TV, Dungasandile Njongi, eGqeberha.